Welcome to today's news update. Here are the 5 top stories we are covering. Welcome to the channel. Before we begin today's update, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to receive notifications for all our future tech updates. Rocket Bell, Liquid Glass, Material 3, and a lot of plumbing. Codename One now includes modern native themes for iOS and Android, featuring iOS, Liquid Glass, and Android Material 3 designs that are enabled by default in the playground and selectable in the simulator. The update involved thousands of code changes across platform ports, GUI infrastructure, and testing to ensure modern appearance and improve performance. Users can now access these themes immediately in the playground without additional configuration, with support for both light and dark modes. Kodebits, May 2026 in review free. Kodebits published 18 coding challenges in May 2026, covering iOS/Swift, Android/Kotlin, and Flutter/Dart platforms. The monthly roundup organizes these short programming exercises from easiest to hardest, with solutions and explanations provided on each Kodebit page. Swift remained the most covered platform with 10 challenges focusing on collection manipulation, result types, and closure capture semantics. Additional resources are linked for deeper exploration of each topic. Kodebits Day 27. Optional chaining, free. Kodecode offers a subscription service providing access to over 50 books and 4,000 videos covering mobile development topics including iOS, Swift, Android, Kotlin, Flutter, and Dart. The platform aims to help developers learn and master mobile development through its comprehensive catalog at a single low price. Scaling Arch Unit with Nebula Arch Rules. John Burns and Emily Yuan present Nebula Arch Rules as a solution for scaling Arch Unit in large code bases. The framework addresses performance and maintainability challenges when applying architectural rules across extensive Java projects. Nebula Arch Rules enables teams to manage complex architectural constraints more efficiently through improved rule organization and execution optimization. This approach helps organizations maintain code quality and architectural integrity as their systems grow in complexity. Help shape the future of Kotlin in the age of AI. JetBrains is launching a community survey to gather feedback on how Kotlin developers are using AI tools in their workflows. The survey aims to understand current usage patterns, challenges, and opportunities for AI-assisted development with Kotlin. Participants can enter to win prizes including a $50 Amazon gift card or a 6-month JetBrains subscription. The initiative coincides with Kotlin CNF 2026, where attendees can also visit the registration counter for additional engagement opportunities. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe, and share your comments and feedbacks below. We love hearing from you. Thumbs up speech balloon. That's all for today's news. Stay informed, and I will see you in the next update.